Yo, 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 CPA Strength here, part number 4 of this 10-part series. Let's get it in. This video is going to be debits equal credits. All right, debits equal credits. That's another huge one. Okay, now if you remember from the previous one, debits left, credits right. Now, they always equal. Always. Debits always equal accounting. This is we're using a double entry accounting system. Double entry accounting system meaning there's a double entry. There's two entries. There's always a debit, which is on the left, and there's always a credit on the right. And they always equal. This is one of the things I love about accounting. It always equals. It has to equal or you're doing something wrong. When you're using software like QuickBooks, it won't let you finish the journal entry unless debits equal credits. So equals. Like debits equal credits. Debits equal credits. And what's a debit? Left side. And what's a credit? Right side. So they always equal each other. Debits equal credits. Debits equal credits. Always equal. Debits always equal credits. All right, that's the 4th video. Follow me on to the 5th video and let's go. All right, I hope we're having fun. I hope we're learning a lot. I hope this is fun for everybody. I'm having a real good time teaching these, so let's go to the next one, okay?